Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well and welcome to the new update on Celer Network. In my last video, we saw that the price line of Celer Network broke out the resistance of the falling wedge, and after breakout, the price line was having some correction, and during the correction, the price line was testing very important support zone. Right now, the price line has bounced by the support, and in today's video we will try to analyze whether this move will be continued or the price line will move again down to test this support. And before starting the analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move. First of all, I would like to move to this chart, that is the 4-hourly time frame, and here I have been showing you these major support and resistance levels on the 4-hourly time frame chart. We had a very strong key support at 10.4 cents, and then we had another support at 12.5, then 14 and 15.5, and this is our final resistance at 19.2. Recently the price action was testing this support of 15.5, and I told you that we may have another a little bit more down move, because previously when we had this rally, the price action retraced up to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and after this rally I was expecting that the price line will again retrace up to 0.618, and right now you can see that the price line dropped up to this golden pocket, that is the Fibonacci retracement of 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. That is a golden pocket, and from here we expect a reversal. And right now the price line is having a nice reversal, but so far it has not reached up to this resistance of 19.2 cents. It has moved up to 17.8 cents. It is possible that this move will be continued and it will hit this resistance zone to break it out. Now if we take a look at the stochastic oscillator, it is still forming higher lows and higher highs. Right now the stochastic is likely to give a sell signal. For example, if this blue line will cross down this orange line, then there will be a probability that the stochastic will form lower high, and already we are watching that the price line is forming lower high. That is not a good sign, but so far so good. The price line is forming higher lows, and the stochastic is also forming higher lows, and right now we can expect that the price line will continue its rally and it will form another higher than previous high. In that situation, the price line can hit this resistance of 19.2 cents, and the stochastic oscillator can also move behind the price line and form another higher than previous high. But right now it seems to be that the stochastic is going to give a sell signal. Now if we switch to the bigger time frame, the daily time frame chart from here, then we can understand what's happening on the bigger picture. And on the daily time frame, we can see that the price line has found this support, the uptrend line support. And for example, if the price line is moving down from here, even though on the daily time frame we are having this green candlestick, but on the 4-hourly time frame chart we can see there is a bearish candlestick. So for example, if the price line will move down, then it can retest the support here, that will be approximately at 14.5 cents, and in that situation the price line can again test that very significant support zone that I have been telling you in my last video as well, that is from 15.5 to 14 cents, and from here we can have another reversal. And here we can also observe that the price line has also found a resistance here. So there is a formation of a ascending triangle, and once the price line will be able to break out this ascending triangle, in that situation the price line, the next target can be, if I place this trend line here at the breakout point, because this is the horizontal line, it doesn't matter where I place it, then our next target can be 30 cents. So we need to follow this trend line. We need to observe the price line is breaking down or not this trend line. If the price line breaks down this trend line, then it will be breaking down of a very strong market structure for the Celer network. So we need to keep an eye on this trend line, and we need to keep an eye on this breakout as well. That is 19.5 cents resistance level. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.